When integrating your code into Kestra, it can be really helpful to access the logs produced by your code directly in Kestra. Using our Python library, you can create a logger object and send those logs at different levels back to Kestra. Let's check out an example. As you can see here, I've got a simple Python example that is using the Kestra library. Now you can easily install this using pip as we have here in the before commands section. Now once we have this set up and we've imported it to our Python script, we can set up a logger here that we can then use throughout our code. And as you can see here, we can use up to 5 different log levels here, which will then be represented correctly in the Kestra logs. Let's have a look. And as you can see here, we've got a bunch of different log levels here available to see in Kestra, and they've come up correctly as we'd expect them to in the logs. Now, because Kestra has really helpful logging here, I can actually set this to trace. We can see all of the different levels and I can easily filter between them too using the little arrows here. So if I want to find my errors, I can easily find the errors that my Python code produced, not that was just produced by Kestra.